Catalog number 1 is Bailey's on Ice, a liver chestnut 3-year-old gelding by Benicio, Florestan 1 and Pilot. With the Vice Westphalian champion in his age class, we are more than pleased to offer a very exceptional horse. 3 outstanding basic gaits, a beautiful type and a top rideability led this son of Benicio mature to a special dressage horse. Bailey's on Ice will make the hearts of all spectators beat faster. An absolute dream horse. He's out of the same dam line like the licensed stallion Secret by Sichuan, who was second at the World Championships of Young Dressage Horses in Ermelo 2019 and was Bundes champion of the 6th Euro Dressage Horses last year. Also, the State Stud Stallion Boss by Bolero and the Grand Prix Dressage Stallion Liebenberg by Leibwächter of Pia Laus, they are also out of this dam line.